Hello, this is Juri Hwang, a bio bee who will deliver the latest honey-like news from the Korean bio industry to you earlier than anyone else in the world. Good to see you guys again. I'm back today to inform you of the most honey-sweet issues in South Korea's bio industry. Please don't forget to subscribe to Bio TV and set up notifications. By turning on notifications, you can receive the latest honey-like information even faster. Now, then, shall we go and take a look at today's sweet news? The Ministry of Science and ICT and the Innopolis Korea Innovation Foundation said that they have formulated a plan to create an R&D Innovation Cluster, or Innopolis, this year, and that they would invest $120 million in this project alone. The Innopolis project supports the entire life cycle of tech commercialization that takes place within the cluster. Last year, a total of 600 research companies and tech startups were founded under this project. MSIT will focus on promoting the following projects: a project on Korea's leading research companies, support for commercialization of public technologies in new industries aimed at achieving the Green New Deal and carbon neutrality, development of specialized business customized to small, promising districts, and support for R&D projects that are exempt from regulations for demonstration of emerging technologies. The ministry said that it will select 5 more leading research companies in the advanced biosector to discover strategic technologies and continue to expand the Innopolis project. MSIT added that it will continue to spur the growth of the R&D Innovation Cluster for the breakthrough advance of business in the cluster. We support K-Bio companies as they thrive into becoming leading-edge research specialists with the backing of the government. Seegene concluded an export deal with Brazil on diagnostic reagents and consumables that can be used on as many as 4 million patients. The product for export is the all-plex SARS-CoV-2 Flu A, Flu B RSV assay that is used to diagnose major respiratory viruses, including COVID-19. It can diagnose respiratory viruses such as COVID-19, influenza A and B, and respiratory syncytial virus through a single test. In particular, it can also increase the number of tests up to 3-fold without any need for adding more equipment, allowing for quick COVID-19 tests in large numbers. Seegene expressed their confidence in being able to supply a sufficient number of diagnostic reagents necessary for global quarantine efforts by making rigorous preparations for production and logistics. This follows on from our report last week on the export of COVID-19 diagnostic kits by Miko Biomed last week. Bio TV will continue to deliver the news on the growth of the K-Bio market as these companies continue to leap ahead in their leadership with their exceptional capabilities. SKbaiosayense opened the doors to the Latin American market by winning the international tender for the chickenpox vaccine it had developed internally. This is the first bid it has won from the Pan American Health Organization under the UN, winning an interim chickenpox vaccine order worth approximately $31 million depending on the number of orders placed by PAHO. SKbaiosayense will supply the proprietary chickenpox vaccine, Sky varicella, to Latin America. PAHO is the world's largest source of vaccine demand together with UNICEF and is responsible for the massive vaccine supply and demand on behalf of Latin American countries. The Sky varicella developed by SKbaiosayense has proven immunogenicity and efficacy for children aged between 12 months to 12 years through global clinical trials in several different countries, including those in Latin America. It became the second chickenpox vaccine to acquire PQ pre-qualification certification from the WHO in 2019. SKbaiosayense plans to release varicella to various international procurement markets after winning the PAHO deal, which is known for having some of the world's most stringent standards. Varicella has already been exported to countries like Thailand, and until last year it was also supplied to Turkey in Europe in a large volume that can be used on over 1.5 million patients. Stay tuned to BioTV for the upcoming news on SKbaiosayense, the developer of the world's finest vaccines. Well, looks like that's all the honey sweet news we have gathered for you today. I will be back soon with new and even sweeter issues related to South Korea's bio industry. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Bye.